Hey everyone, welcome to the video. It's Unlock iOS Tech. Back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue is that your iOS 26.3 version is not showing in your iPhone, maybe your iPad. So when you try to update to your iOS, so if you is going to the software update section and just not getting the update version of iOS 26.3 version, so how you can fix that and how you can get that update in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So just simply follow all the steps which I'm going to show you in this video to fix that. So just going to the settings of your iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. So just going to the general section and just scroll down and see the option of a transfer, reset iPhone, and just tap on reset all the settings from here. If you don't want to reset all settings, just reset your network settings. So after that, just go back and just going to the iPhone storage. So make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone. So because iOS taking too much storage from your iPhone, so that's why you have enough storage in your iPhone. 20 to 30 GB space of your iPhone. You have to make sure you have a minimum free of space of a 30 to 20 GB. So after that, just go back and just going to again back and just going to your Apple ID and just sign out your Apple ID and again sign in your Apple ID. So after that, just to restart your iPhone, just press the power button and the volume up button and just restart your iPhone and again on it. After on, just go to iPhone and just going to the section of a journal and just going to software update, and after that you're getting the option of update. So after that you just update your iPhone to the latest iOS 26.3 version. So that's the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe the channel for the more videos like that.